Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Legends Arceus on PC. To begin, you will need the Yuzu emulator, which is a powerful tool designed to run Nintendo Switch games on your computer. This method is currently the most reliable way to experience the game outside of a Switch console. Ensure your PC meets the recommended specifications for smooth performance, as emulation can be quite demanding on hardware resources. You will also need the game files and Switch firmware. Setting up Yuzu involves a few key steps. First, download the most recent version of the emulator from its official source to ensure compatibility and stability. Next, install any required software, such as Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, which are crucial for the emulator to function correctly. You will also need to acquire your Nintendo Switch firmware and decryption keys, placing them into the designated Yuzu folders. These components are vital for the emulator to properly load and run games. Optimizing Yuzu settings is crucial for a great experience. You can adjust graphics options to balance between visual fidelity and performance, depending on your system's capabilities. For instance, setting the resolution to 1080 pixels often provides a clear image without excessive strain. Enabling asynchronous GPU emulation can significantly smooth out frame rates, reducing stutters. Don't forget to configure your input controls, whether you prefer a gamepad or keyboard, for comfortable gameplay. Once Yuzu is configured, playing Pokémon Legends Arceus is straightforward. Simply add your game files to the Yuzu game directory, and the emulator will detect them. Then, double-click the game icon to launch it and begin your adventure. Keep in mind that performance can vary based on your PC's hardware, so some areas might run more smoothly than others. Enjoy exploring the vast and exciting Hisui region, catching Pokémon, and uncovering its mysteries right from your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.